This is the best time to be vocal, to be very, very confidently vocal without any shackles and barriers. All this noise, with all this suffering of our brothers and sisters in Islam is going far and wide. The conviction, the perseverance and the strength of the amazing brave martyrs in Palestine is actually raising a lot of awareness about Islam. As people are getting curious to read about Islam, to know Islam better. And this is not 75 years ago. This is the time of social media. And with you being on social media, you have an noble responsibility towards haqq, towards truth, towards justice, towards fairness. So you don't have to be a Muslim to actually speak for Palestine. To my Muslim listeners, and please spread more knowledge of the positivity, the beauty of Islam, the kind of solutions that Islam presents, the kind of way of complete, comprehensive way of life Islam presents. And this is the victory. This is the war between wrong and right. This is the war between evil and truth. If you don't do your part, Allah will ask you on Judgment Day. Do your part and ensure that it's happening, it's working, and it's actually raising more noise and more awareness than you can imagine. Don't think that I should not be the only voice. Maybe I'm the only one talking about it. I'm the only one raising awareness. No, we're a lot of us. Millions of people are joining us on the street, online, offline, on site, everywhere people are talking.